Good morning. Welcome back to Seedlings, a beginner's guide to everything that you can grow at home. Alright, so these are bush beans. Okay, and if you look closely, that's the flower of the bush beans. Okay, and people often ask, will I need to self-pollinate? Will I need to pollinate, these bush beans? And the answer is no. Okay, so bush beans self-pollinate. Okay, they do it themselves. They do not require any assistance. And very soon you'll see bush beans coming off of these flowers. Okay, so their leaves do get quite big to, of course, cover the bush beans from pests that do want to eat it. Okay, so these are growing pretty healthy. And I do expect a good amount of bush beans to come out of this. Okay, so where every flower comes out, so here we can see there is 1, 2, 3 flowers. Okay, so we know there will be 3 beans from there. Okay, it has been raining, so that's why the leaves are wet. There's a bit more flowers. I see 1, 2, 3 flowers, so that will be another 3 beans. Okay, this one also has a few. Okay, so where every flower comes out is a new bean. And all they require is water and consistent fertilizer. Okay, you don't even have to fertilize them because they provide fertilizer on their own. They produce their own fertilizer, adding rich nitrogen into the soil. So they do not even require fertilizer. I gave them fertilizer at the very beginning, natural soil, and then from then on, I didn't fertilize them, just gave them regular water. As you can see, they do look very healthy. This is about 2.5 months old. Please remember to hit that like button, to subscribe, and leave your comments down below. Let's discuss how your bush beans are growing, what your problems are that you are facing. Let's talk about it.